January 6, 2021.
USA!
Crowds marched to the U.S. Capitol building. Throngs of people grew into thousands. Denise Aguilar posted to social media that day, saying she was there.
The revolution's here, guys. We stormed the Capitol, and patriots broke open the doors.
Aguilar later said she never breached the building nor participated in violence. And since then, she's taken her fight back home.
It's all about local legislation, your local school districts, your city council, board of supervisors. So it kicked off as a national movement that it's now parents are realizing we need to start coming to the local government.
Her shift is part of a broader trend, according to Jared Holt, who studies domestic extremism at the nonpartisan think tank, the Atlantic Council.
Domestic extremism is really like a fluid that matches the container that it's in any given moment.
In a new report, Holt says that following backlash and hundreds of arrests connected to the attack on the Capitol, far-right activists have shifted their focus from national politics to local.
A lot of the adaptations that we've seen came in the form of kind of decentralizing these national movements.
What are these extremists all talking about at the local level? What is the content?
A lot of them are taking it upon themselves to re-engage in the broader conservative culture war.
We are here to protect the children of our community.
For Aguilar, who we met outside a local school board meeting in California, it's opposition to mandates.
We figured out that going to the Capitol and working that particular piece doesn't do anything because these legislators have already made up their mind.
She is the founder of a group called Mamalitia and says her activism is peaceful.
Do we look violent to you? Do we look like we're trying to storm any place? Have I ever done anything violent in the Capitol? Absolutely not.
Like many who share her goals, Aguilar uses alternative social media platforms like Telegram to organize and strategize.
This is what they're doing at the school board meetings.
Those go local tactics also being embraced by prominent white nationalists.
This is the right approach. Going to the school board meetings, going out to protest.
Groups like the Proud Boys responding, taking to the streets of towns in Long Island and North Carolina to protest public health measures.
Extremist groups have always seen the culture wars as a place that has enough anger and division already that it can be fruitful for them.
Are we in a better place now than we were on January 5th of last year?
I do think there have been some reassuring signs, but the undercurrents and the conditions that led to January 6th, this popularization of conspiracy theories, of extreme sentiments and ideologies, is maybe more pernicious than it was last year.
And with the focus off the nation's capital for now, the impact of that extremism can be felt anywhere. Brandy Zadrozny, NBC News, Washington.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.